I think it's a disappointing outcome. This was a great company not that long ago, and it's still not totally clear from the outside where they why or where they stumbled exactly. But they'd made some mistakes, and I think there was a lot of potential there. I'm not sure. I think there was various incentives, not all of which aligned with shareholders, and that's when you get where boards don't always own enough stock to think the way to be aligned with shareholders. And I think there was a lot of potential. You probably needed to realize that potential. You probably needed to sell the company in pieces. I don't think the board felt like they had enough time to do that, and went in a different direction. That I think there's great assets, and Sunoco's probably going to look back a couple years from now and feel really good about what they did. And
did you guys vote for the transaction?
No, we voted against the transaction.
You were voted against, and Simpson Oil ultimately I think begrudgingly voted for it. We had a shareholder on, Ross Healy, who felt like the company was being stolen. And shareholders are getting a premium. Yeah. So I imagine you're walking away with a gain.
Yeah. I think it would have, some of the consideration is in shares of kind of like of a new subsidiary of Sunoco. It's not clear if that'll trade, in line with Sunoco's existing shares, or if it'll trade at a discount. And there's obviously just uncertainty as to what those shares will be worth when the deal closes and beyond. So we made money versus the end, but there's worse things that can happen to you than having one of your companies acquired. But it would have been, there was potential for I think a happier ending. That it's kind of disappointing that didn't unfold that way.